Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you wash Hey Dude shoes insoles? Do not use anything other than detergent. This includes fabric softeners and bleach. Note: the insoles should be taken out prior to washing so that you can clean them separately. You can either soak them with a soap solution or put them in the washer with the shoes in a separate mesh laundry bag. How do you wash shoes in the washing machine? Using liquid detergent, run the washer on a cold, delicate cycle. Depending on your washer, the wash time varies from 30 to 40 minutes. Remove the sneakers from the washer and allow them to air dry. Never put shoes in the dryer, as the heat may warp them or damage the glue that keeps them together. How do you clean memory foam insoles? Wash the insoles. Pull out your memory foam shoes insoles and drop them into the washing machine. Add some numbers of towels too for a tough wash. Let these air dry after the wash. You can also add some drops of vinegar along with detergent. How do you wash a guy in the washing machine? How to wash colored Hey Dudes. Wash them in your washing machine on a delicate, hand wash or light setting. Add in a very small amount of your favorite liquid detergent and only wash them in cold water to keep your shoes from shrinking. Also make sure to choose slow spin or no spin if you can to reduce wrinkles.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.